why my to-do list is always empty. And this is actually a real problem for me. I hate it when there is nothing to do. I love to be a little bit busy. I don't want to be super busy, but I want to have some tasks so I can feel some progress. And if I feel some progress, I'm happy. However, I know there are a lot of people out there that have too much on their plate and can't get through. I'm going to present you my to-do system, and I hope this will help you to get more done and to be more efficient, especially when working with others. It's actually a very simple system, but I think that's why it's effective. Please don't complain after the video. Oh, that was it? Yeah, that's it. That's my to-do system. Okay, let me get started. So this is my to-do list I'm looking into every day. As you can see, there are only 4 tasks on it, even though I'm working on 3 projects right now, because I don't let myself ever dodge an item on a day. There's a concept for emails that is called inbox zero, and I'm naming this to-do zero. As you can see, my tasks are filtered. If I turn off this filter or just slightly change it, you will see there are some more. But this is my default view. So each of the tasks has a property called due. That means when it has to be done. So this actually would need to be done today. However, sometimes it's not 100% under my control. And the big problem which I see with other people's to-do list is that they use their to-do list as a trash, as a bin. They put everything in there and don't get things done. I want to either do the task, delegate the task, or delete the task. So let's assume I have to hire somebody to do the Instagram filter, and his deadline was today. So I'm asking him today, hey, have you done the Instagram filter? Life is not perfect. Sometimes that person won't be done. So I say, okay, hey, I'm going to give you 3 more days. And then I'm going to change the due date to Friday, let's in 3 days. And this task will be hidden. You can already see it in the background till this day. And a lot of people have different columns for in progress or delegated. I don't think in delegated terms. I think in follow-up terms. Whenever I delegate a task, my task is to follow up, and that's the task that I will have here, and it will appear on the day that I have to follow up, right? So I take responsibility, and that's very, very important, because otherwise you might forget about all the tasks that other people are doing. And if you have 100 people that do stuff for you, then to-do list will be completely bulky. So then there are tasks that I have to do regularly, let's say every other day, like posting a photo breakdown. For that task, I do a very similar technique. I just, whenever I have done it, so if I would have done it today, I would say, okay, I have to do it again on Thursday. So I will just change the date. It will come back on the September 2nd. Then obviously for normal simple tasks that I can do on one day, it's just a normal thing. I can just move it to completed. Super simple. And then, yeah, this is the last one. As you can see, I'm recording this video right now. I'm explaining it to you. This was my last task of the day. So then again, my to-do list will be empty. An additional benefit is this little completed column, which I have hidden because it is like a little scoreboard. I mean, if you have like repeating task and you just repeat it every time, your score doesn't go up. Nevertheless, it's a little bit motivating to see that I've completed already 694, and after this video 695 tasks. I can see them all. Sometimes you also need to, I don't know why it counted twice now. However, and now it's empty. But tomorrow morning when I wake up, all my scheduled tasks will be back there again. And I cannot leave my laptop without cleaning my to-do list. The to-do list should never be a place like an icebox. So I have notes here, I have ideas here, but your to-do list is something like your emails. You work through it every day, and if you do that every day, then you will get used to it. It's addicting, trust me. It's like playing a game. You want to get those things done, you delegate it, you do it, you delete it, whatever. Sometimes you have to delete tasks because they're not fresh anymore, they're not needed anymore. The tool I'm using here is Notion. I'm not sponsored by Notion. This is a favorite tool of a lot of developers, a lot of people. And there are a lot of YouTubers out there that actually sponsor. I'm none of them. Nevertheless, I like it. I bought the premium version for $6 a month or something. I will use my affiliate link so I can get some more storage, but usually for you alone it's enough. And now the most important thing is I have to show you my filter. So my filter, my everyday filter is show me all tasks where the property, and you set the properties here. I made it everything super simple, so it's super clean. It's just name, due, and project. Actually, I don't need project anymore. I think it's just name and due. I don't have status, nothing else. And then I have this filter here which says where due is empty, so if it's empty it will show up, or the due date is on or before today, so everything I schedule into the future will not pop off. And please don't ask me why I have this logic in here, because actually where due is empty or due is on or before today should be the same. However, I have it in here, it's working. I think you can just use the upper two, but if not, try the last one. And if you still don't get it working like that, then just leave me a comment and shout at me and give me a thumbs down. However, if you felt like you liked something or that all makes sense for you, then please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I just hit 400 subscribers. And my next goal is obviously 467 subscribers. You could be one of them. So subscribe and wait for my to-do list to be empty, so I'm gonna make another video. See you next time.